Hey guys, um, we haven't been here in a minute, alright, but we're back and it's time to talk about everyone's favourite section. My least favourite section, well actually that's dramatic, but one of my least favourite sections of pure maths, that is radian equations. Why don't I like radians equations? Because they're equations, and the point of maths isn't to learn equations, it's to use them. And I have to memorise all of them. So, this video, 1 is me putting on the whiteboard, 2 is evidence I'm alive. And 3 maybe, it probably won't be helpful, because I'm going to be reading these off diagram, but maybe it will be helpful me running through this practice question we're about to do. I'm not sure what one this is. I'm not sure. I think this is 2022. I've come down to record a quick video because I've forgotten every single equation related to them. Obviously, everyone knows r theta. Come on. Everyone knows radius, and I'm not even looking at the diagram, but everyone knows radius theta is arc length. Hopefully, well, maybe if you don't take maths, you probably wouldn't know that, but I do. I take maths. Ignore the illustrations. That's a solid snake. That's been up there for a while. I'm a big fan of metal gear. That equation. That's just patriarchy. Oh wait. Oh, I thought I ran out of battery. It's alright. That's patriarchy. That's what I hate. That's solid snake. In case you know, if you, yeah, well, let's not even try. If you're new to the channel, why did you click on this video? You might, yeah, I don't think there's many more, far more professional videos, but thank you nonetheless. The aim of this entire thing is just for me to remember a lot of this stuff. And for anyone who's just interested in learning with me, I think that's cool. I don't really, if you check the channel, I don't really upload often. I made 2 videos. Which I just didn't upload. I think one was like me explaining like my revision schedule, and one was me tuning drums. Maybe I uploaded one after that saying how boring the tuning drums video was. I got like 20 minutes in. That's tuning this drum kit. Oh my god, I've already got it wrong. R in the case of all of these equations is radius, not radians, and theta's always an angle. So theta is, in this case, angle in radians. Theta r is arc length. Classic. This is useful to know, especially on the question I'm going to refer to in a minute. Because if you want to, they often do 3-dimensional segments. So you get a segment, it's 3-dimensional. So you do actually, this equation is necessary for area, even if it's necessary in general. Now, I'm going to try and remember a lot of these from memory. So that's that. Area is half theta r squared, I think. Come on! Most people would write that as half r squared theta, and that's the area of the sector. Classic. With that in mind, area of the triangle is half sine theta r squared. Half r squared sine theta. Yes, it is. Now, beyond this point, the two other things that I kind of ask you to find out are this area here, the chord. That's about it. I think there's one more equation. Oh yeah. Well, that one doesn't really matter because you'd never do it that way. The length of chord, because that's the chord there. An area of segment is how they phrase it. And realistically, you can just kind of derive this because what you can do is just this minus this is the area of your segment. Which I'm not sure how I'd simplify that. Half theta r squared minus half r squared sine theta would be that area of segment. And that one's a bit less relevant. And also, you don't need to remember it. It's these three require memorization. Besides from that, and also this one's kind of optional. It's really good to have in your tool belt. At least my dad always says, because otherwise, what are you going to do? Well, you can do it using area of any triangle. Obviously, these triangles are always going to be equilateral. They're always going to be equilateral triangles. So there's quite a lot of stuff you can do there. You can split them into right angles. So that you can just do them like triangle equations, which isn't really that bad. Same for, that's why I didn't discuss length of chord, because if I was in that situation, I would probably just use the cosine rule, as would most people, especially considering you're usually going to get given one of these lengths. And get given one is obviously getting given both because it's equilateral. Should find a way to simplify this. Actually, no, because you wouldn't in an exam. You would just do it. That's nice and easy. What else was I going to say I was going to do? This question. Question 15 on the 2022 paper. Let's give it a shot, shall we? I think this is just an excuse for me to get motivated to actually come downstairs and do this. So you've got a, excuse my drawing, I haven't done art in a minute. Hey Mom. Yeah, I'm just recording a video for myself to remind myself about Radians. So there's our 3D sector, and it's got a angle of 0.8 radians. Super cool. Okay. This is dead fun then. This is easy. The volume of this is 240 centimeters cubed. We don't get given anything else. We don't really need anything else, do we? And what it's asking you to show is the surface area of the toy, and it says we need to get to a value of 0.8 r squared as 1680 over r. Cool. So first, we're going to want some terms. Well, first we can make an equation for surface area. Yes, we can. That's cool. Does it give us any more information about like C to F? So, yeah. So these here have length h. Cool. Obviously, all of these have length r. So this length we're trying to count. I always think of surface area as doing all of the surfaces individually. I think everyone thinks of it like that. And like I said, these videos aren't going to change your world view or anything. So let's just do h pi r, which is going to give us this here, because that's the curve times the height, well, the arc length times the height, whatever you want to call it. This here is obviously just hr, so plus 2hr, because there's two of them, and plus, we'll simplify it as we go, so instead of 2 half r squared theta, we'll just make it r squared theta, which looks quite nice, doesn't it? I'm very happy with that equation, and that's all equal to 240 centimetres cubed. Now, we just need to isolate r. I think so, at least. I hope so. Yeah. How do we go about it? Slowly. Like I said, I'm not some sort of maths genius, so don't expect maths. No, we don't need to isolate r. I'm being stupid. We need to isolate h. My bad. So 240 minus r squared theta equals. Oh my god! No, this is our equation. This is why I don't do these live, these actually me doing them, because you see how stupid I am. They make you feel better about your maths. Future me, or anyone else. Surface area, that's what that is. Now we do a volume equation. We'll sub theta in a 0.8 later. So let's get our volume equation done. That should be dead easy. Just 240 equals half 0.8 r squared. Times height, as you see written down there. So then that is 0.4 r squared h equals 240, and that gives us a real, simple to just get h by itself. So 240, 0.4, 240 over 0.4 r squared. Let's do 240 divided by 0.4. My mental maths is poor. And that's 500. So 500 over r squared. We're already seeing evidence of where that could come in there, because that's, it's possible. Let's just check. What's 500 divided by? Obviously it's a multiple of. We'll get to it. So now we've got a value for h. Let's just reinsert that into our equation for surface area, which should be 500 I can leave in a minute if you like. I'm just using the whiteboard for now. 0.8 R, add 2 500 over R squared, R, add R squared 0.8. Super cool. 500 times 0.8 is 400, so that's 400 R squared. We can simplify that in a minute. This is 1000 R. 1000 R over R squared. Add R squared to 0.8. Have I forgotten something? Because this is looking very close, but not quite there. Very close, because that obviously simplifies to 1400 R and 0.8 R squared, which is so close. So clearly, I must have forgotten one thing. I'm not sure what the hell I've done. No. What the hell have I done? This is a huge shame, because that's so close. Well, for a start, 240 divided by 0.4 will be 600. So I suspect replacing all of these stupid values for 500 that I misread with 600. So let's do 600 times 0.8. 480. Already looking a bit nicer. And 1200 add 1200, yeah, would in fact equal 1680 plus 0.8 R squared. You probably have figured that out with me. Yeah, as required. Bish bash bosh. Well, lovely seeing you. If anyone, I know a few people used to watch this. I doubt you'd watch 20 minutes of me fumbling through a pretty easy pure question. I promise I'm alright at maths. It's just Radians and trig aren't my strong suit. Radians questions are fine. It's just anything with memorization. Well, I take history. I should be able to memorize stuff. I used to memorize interesting stuff. I never memorized cosine rule. Now I have. Don't quiz me on it though. I'm just kidding. Half A, B, sine, C. Hopefully no one's watched into the video to me. No, that's right. Half. No. That's completely wrong. Doesn't matter. No one's watched this far. Or maybe you have, in which case, there you go. That's a tidbit. It's b squared minus 2. I'll get back to you on that. I might need to go revise cosine rule. Lots of love. Thank you for watching future me, current me, maybe another person. Maybe. Yeah, it's been crazy. I'm sorry if anyone actually does care what I upload. I don't think you're probably missing me, but if you do, it's been busy. It's just been busy doing stuff. Revising, procrastinating, and this is I think it helps me get into the mental state to revise, and it's nice to have a bit of that journey to look at, I suppose. Been a bit hectic the past few months, but it's nice to just be able to have an evening where I just do a bit of maths, and I have to revise all of like Freed at Last, that section, if anyone takes history, and I have to mark this paper. But thank you for watching. This might never get uploaded, but if it does, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. Lots of love.